Currently, our COVID-19 indicators are stable.
Some good news for the Kingston region as Ontario enters the first week of eased restrictions. And Kingston is not alone.
With all of that, I would say that we're in a similar trend across our neighboring regions.
But while Omicron cases may be decreasing, the WHO warned this week that scientists are tracking a worrying increase in COVID 19 deaths around the globe.
We are absolutely seeing more deaths. I think we probably had 4 or 5 in the last 2 or 3 weeks. Older people over the age of 70 with serious underlying health conditions.
What we're seeing now is that surge of Omicron, those huge numbers of cases seen around the world, are now converting themselves into appreciable deaths because these people are now 2, 3, or 4 weeks out into their illness and they have not recovered and have died.
But with cases stabilizing, the rise in deaths is also expected to slow. Vaccination rates in the region, some of the highest in the province, are also expected to prevent COVID related deaths.
So my expectation is that kind of degree of vaccination is not going to likely see us seeing a rise in deaths.
Kingston's medical officer of health says the province is also monitoring the impact of easing restrictions.
But that's something that we'll monitor locally and respond appropriately if we see these trends happening. We would not be really seeing an impact of that for another 2 or even 3 weeks.
Another sign of the slowing case rates, Dr. Oglaza will no longer be providing weekly COVID 19 updates to the media. Those will now happen bi weekly. Erin Strickland, Global News.